The Bitcoin price is not able right now to break $23,000, and we have seen this now here multiple times. Also yesterday, that we tried to break here $23,000 and to stay above that, and Bitcoin could not manage it. And now Bitcoin bulls are in the immediate short term in danger, and I gonna show you the exact levels that I'm looking out for and at what point I expect a massive altcoin season starting really soon. So if you think that's interesting, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And let's get directly into today's content here. As I have said, we have now multiple times tried to break $23,000, and Bitcoin could not manage it and is here starting to create higher lows, lower highs, just under this resistance area of $23,343. And here on the daily chart, I have seen something today that is also quite concerning, and that is that we start to form here a bearish divergence. So this is really dangerous for the immediate short term, because that could mean if that one is confirmed, and it will be confirmed once we break here this upward sloping support line at $22,552. We are not far away from that, just $50. If we break it and close the daily candle under it, then we will definitely go here all the way to the support at $20,500 in my opinion, and close that CME gap that we have on the way down, and from there we will see then a rebound back to the upside. I also want to point out, guys, for everybody that has yesterday taken the short trade that I have showed you guys when we break down this rising wedge here, congratulations to that. That was going down quite quickly here to our target, so we could have made some really nice gains here. So for those people that are still riding that, that's also absolutely fine, but adjust your stop loss to at least $22,750, so that in any case you walk home with profit if you are still riding this. So when we go then here to the 4-hourly chart, here we see now the Bitcoin price is getting closer to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So I still expect some crazy volatility here in the next coming days. So, and with that bearish divergence, if that bearish divergence is playing out on the daily chart, then we will definitely see a break to the downside in the Bollinger Band, in the stochastic RSI flatlining. So that is something that I'm watching right now over the next coming hours, how this is going to play out, because as the Bitcoin price is heading here lower, we have to get ready when the daily close is coming, that potentially we will see the bearish divergence playing out here. Yeah, so if you want to short this, then I would short here the next time from $22,400 approximately, and then you can trade this all the way down to $20,500. So guys, don't forget, if you want to do that on BYBIT, you still get $30,000 in bonuses with that specific link here, and on Bitget $20,000 also only with that specific link here, guys. These bonuses are not so long available anymore, guys. I have negotiated that myself with BYBIT and Bitget to get these high bonuses for you, so definitely take advantage of that as long as they are lasting. So now let's get into the altcoin season, where I believe this is going to start. So first of all, let's talk about the downward sloping resistance line that we have here. I want to show you something. So last time when we broke this downward sloping support line, which flipped then into resistance and then stayed resistance for quite a while until 2 days ago. So now this line is technically already support, but we have also this line here, which is acting right now as the imminent support. So, and you can see here this line was acting as support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and now it's again support. So I can tell you guys, once we are breaking both of these lines and going here down in the Bitcoin dominance, we will see a massive out season for at least lasting for a month or two. So, and that is what I'm waiting for right now. So, and if we are closing here exactly as the candles are, no, actually I want this candle to go a little bit lower so that we have a double top candle formation, a spinning top. So if we come back down to 44.12% today for the altcoins and close that Bitcoin dominance candle that way, then we could be in for a really nice alt season, even starting as early as next week. So that is also something that we should be watching right now, because we can make a lot of money on altcoins once we are breaking these levels. So let me actually put an alert there. I want to see that one. Okay, I'll just put it the alarm. No. So let me put the alarm first here, and then I can still adjust this. So once we are breaking 43.6%, I will get an alert, and then I know, baby, it's alt season, and that's what we want. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments when you believe the altcoin season is starting, or has it started already. I'm curious what you guys think, and make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.